Chucky, and I'm your friend to the end. Heidi ho!
Playtime is over.
Welcome back, guys. OPAC Garage. So this is going to be another video of the Chucky build. Today we're going to work on getting the firewall, get it all scuffed and ready for some paint. I've already got the back of the cab pretty much all sanded. I've got a little bit more hand sanding left to do there. So in this video, you're going to see a couple days go by. You'll see my clothes change a little bit. This will be a few hours after work every day of getting some work done on Chucky. But in this video, we will get the firewall painted. We'll get the frame cleaned up and painted. We'll get the back of the frame. We'll get it all power washed and cleaned and all that. And then we will start getting Chucky, hopefully getting it all back together the way we want it. So stick around, hit that like button, click that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, and let's get after it. Here comes a time lapse. It'll be just of some sanding. I'll make sure it's quick so you guys not getting bored with just seeing that, but I want you guys to see the process that I go through of getting this truck ready and back on the road. So keep watching. Thanks.
Came from the country, master the bare knuckle fighter. Yeah, I'm an American, UET silk diver. Your mind can't conceive all the places I've been, to the ends of the earth, hell and back again.
Woo! That is a workout, I tell you what. You know, the other day, and I don't know if y'all watched my previous video, I was telling you that it was like 80 degrees and then it was 30 degrees that night. Well, that's been last weekend, so it's been 4 or 5 days since then. Today's temperature in North Texas was 93 degrees. It's crazy. I mean, just absolutely crazy. So, this door area, we've got sanded down. I think it's good to go. The back is sanded, good to go. It'll accept some primer. We're gonna hit it with some primer after I put the filler and a final sand. I still gotta sand it all down with like a 400 grit. We'll hit it with some primer, and that's the way Chucky will sit. It'll be primered white until I get ready to do the final base and get the final build. The paint will be the very last thing that I do with this truck. Everything else will be 100% done. Paint will be the very last thing that I do. So with that being said, let's get it set up. I'll show a little quick time lapse of scuffing up the firewall, and then maybe tomorrow or so, next day, I'll get it loaded up on the trailer. We'll get it out go take it down the street to the car wash, get it all washed off, get it back in here, and get it ready to hit it with some primer. Some body filler first. We'll fix all the little dents we can with some body filler, and then we'll start painting the firewall and the frame and getting it all ready. So one quick time lapse, guys. This video will be wrapping up, so I'll bring you back once I got all the scuffing and everything done. So keep watching. Thanks.
Baby, I'm a frog man, small on fire, and RPGs, and I'd rather be fishing in a cool mountain stream. Instead, I'm dodging bullets in this desert sand. I don't know if I'll see my home again. Frog man.
All right, guys, as you just seen, we got Chucky loaded on the trailer. We're fixing to take off to the car wash, get it degreased, get it cleaned up. It is a beautiful Saturday morning here in North Texas, March 2nd. It's about 75 degrees. Gonna be a beautiful day to get all this done. So thanks for watching this far along. Ready to go on a field trip? I'm ready. Let's go. All right, guys, we are back from the car wash. Got the truck in here. It's all dried off, up on the jack stands, ready to go. Now, I'm going to be throwing on a first coat of paint. Zoom out a little bit here. I'm going to be throwing on the first coat of paint. I still got to strip the suspension down. And I know a lot of you guys are going to say, well, wouldn't you want to strip the suspension down before you painted it? Yes, that is pretty much true. But as you can see on the firewall here, here, and here, and some of the other places, I've got some bare metal. I don't want the bare metal to be shown for very long, so I want to get a coat of paint on there just to stop any surface rust from getting started. So I'm going to go ahead and throw down a first layer of paint. That way later down the road it'll be a lot easier to just blow it off with the duster or do a quick little rinse off here at the shop that I've got. So I'm going to set up a time lapse. We'll get a first good coat of paint on this thing, and then from there, the next steps will be getting suspension stripped off and getting the waiting for the new stuff to come in. So a quick little update on our list that we have over here. Let's see what we've got. And of course, I've lost my marker somewhere. But anyway, so cab bodywork, we're just about done. I've got to do a little bit of bodywork on it. Putting a little body filler on it, getting the final sanding down on it. The frame has been scraped and cleaned. We can take that off. Power washing is done. Next thing is I want to get the first coat of paint on the frame and the firewall just to keep from any of the rust starting. But then our next step will be getting the suspension stripped, a full coat of paint after everything is done, and then we'll move on to the cab. As far as parts to buy, we have got the rear drop and front suspension kit ordered, and then I will be getting the JDM upper control arms ordered pretty next. So after we get all of that done, we'll be getting all of the suspension back on the rear end. Still got to take the rear end out, and we'll start getting all the new stuff put on. And in the meantime of getting all the new stuff put on, while we're waiting for that, I'm going to start working on getting the doors put back on, getting the cab ready to get painted with the primer white. And from there, while we're waiting for the motor build, finding a motor and getting it built, we'll start piecing together the interior and start getting all that stuff buttoned up. So thanks for following along this far in the adventure. I am hoping there'll be plenty more videos out there for you guys to watch. So hit the like button for me, leave a comment down below, hit that subscribe button so we can get to that first 1,000 subscribers. I appreciate to the guys that have already subscribed and watching the channel as much as we can, or as much as you can. So greatly appreciated for that. So hit that subscribe button for me. Let's grow this channel and see where it goes. Thanks. Here comes the time lapse.
Baby, I'm a frog man. From the Korengal Valley to the 7 Seas, I difference about the shit I'm in. I'm just doing my job. Baby, I'm a fraud man. Baby, I'm a fraud man. Baby, I'm a fraud man. Baby, I'm a fraud man.
Perfect. Perfect.
It is amazing what just a few cans of Rust-Oleum spray paint can do. I mean, that frame looks nearly brand new. Got the back all painted, good to go. So now we've got to get the rear end out, leaf springs out. We got to cut these brackets off, get the rear shackles out, so that way we can get the rear kit in there. Got to get the upper lower control arms out. Got to get the coil springs out, shocks. Get the rack and pinion pulled out. We're putting all that new. Yeah, that'll be one of the next videos. So that'll wrap this one up. So I appreciate everybody watching till the end. I am greatly for the ones that have subscribed already. So leave a comment down below of what you think. I'm in awe. So I love it. So once again, thanks for watching and look forward to the next video. OPAC Garage. Catch you later.